Hello friend, welcome to plastic product design series. So in this video we will discuss the engineering plastic. So there are number of plastics component we are using in the automobile vehicle. So we will discuss those materials, why we are using and the importance of the plastics material in the vehicle. So if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the videos from Mechanical Design Adda. So why we are using the plastics material in the vehicle? Because the plastics material having the lightweight property and we have seen the plastics materials are formed because of the chemical process. So it is a chemical process where we are getting the plastics material. So depend on the our requirement and the applications, we can change the property and we can get those material. We are replacing the metal, glass with the plastic materials. Here you can see the previously we are using the metal, glass, this type of material, but now we are replacing this metal and glass with the plastic material like a polyamide we are using for the air intake manifold, engine cover, fuel system components and the cooling systems. And polycarbonate we are using for the headlamp lens, interior lighting and the instrument panel, because the polycarbonate are light in weight and higher impact resistance. And then BPT like polybutadiene terephthalate. So this one material and or the product we are using for the electric connectors, sensor housing and automotive lighting components. So we are using this type of products there. And polypropylene products we are using for the bumpers, battery housing and interior trim and dashboard. So now we are using the polypropylene material for the this application, because the polypropylene are lighter in weight and it is cost effective. And then the ABS material we are using for the dashboard panel, trim component and the interior fitting, because the ABS provides the superior impact resistance and it is easy for manufacturing. Then the PEK material, it is used for underhood components and for the engine parts. And TPO, it means that the thermoplastics polyolefins. So it is generally used for the bumpers or the exterior panel and the interior trim. So depends upon the application and the requirements, we use the plastics material as per that. And it provides the weight reduction and the cost saving for the easy manufacturing, and we can go with a complex shape also with the plastic material. And here you can see the example of replacement in the specific application, like in the air intake manifold previously we are using the aluminum and now we are using the nylon as a replacement material like a polyamide. So this materials we are using for the air intake manifold now, because the nylon having the lightweight and it reduces the overall weight and improves the fuel efficiency, along with the better resistance under the underhood condition. And now the glass headlamp lens we are replacing with a polycarbonate. So headlamp lamps generally are now material we are using is the polycarbonate. It is used because it is lighter and more impact resistant than the glass, and it enhances the safety and durability. And previously we are using the steel material for bumper, but now polypropylene and TPO here we are using, and it is used for their lightweight, flexibility and absorb the impact better and reducing the weight of the vehicle. So it having the good absorb means impact absorb property and the reduces the weight of the vehicle. Then in the fuel system components, like we are using now BPT and other high performance plastics. These are the some additional engineering plastics materials that we are using for the particular applications, like POM we are using for car gear, bearing and fasteners and the fuel systems, and PPS we are using for underhood components and the fuel system parts and the electrical connectors, and PMMA we are using for lighting covers, instrument cluster and the exterior trim, and TPE we are using for seal, gasket and flexible automobile parts. So why we are replacing the traditional material with plastics material? So plastics material save the weight and it improves the efficiency and the reduces the emission, and uh, the production and the manufacturing cost of the plastics is very low compared with the metal if we are going with the high volume production. And related with the shape, so even the complex shapes we can easily produce with the plastics material. So in that we can, maybe we can innovate and we can come up with the more improvised design, so the at that time we can go for complex shapes and it is very easy with the plastics material. And plastics actually do not corrode, so it is longer lasting components. So it at the, suppose at the environment like a moisture or chemical environment, so at that time we can use for the particular application, the plastics material we can use for the particular application. And the plastics having the good insulation property against the heat and the electricity, so it is suitable for the electrical component like underhood applications where the temperature is high. And the like polycarbonate and ABS material, so these materials having the high impact resistance, so these components we can use where the impact is coming, so like a bumper or the we can use at the safety features. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will discuss the available manufacturing process for the plastics material. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.